Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinwe here, and I have another hair video for you, and this is Darling Natural Bob, and this channel is for makeup, beauty, fashion and lifestyle, so please consider subscribing. Yes, thank you. And I'll be using the 8 inches closure as well, and I'll also be using 2 bundles of the Darling Natural Bob. Yes, and Darling is a Nigerian brand. Yes, and they have varieties of products from Caribbean coils, from Kinky Straight, Kinky Lang, and all of that. And this is not a sponsored ad or promo. And I'm done fixing the entire Weavon, and you all know that of course I will definitely lay the closure using my hand dryer and my stretcher. And I've just been making wigs. This period is the festive period. I make wigs for my clients as well, and this is the final look. It's beautiful. It's so silky. You can see how it's looking so smooth, and I just love the hair. I love the texture. It's really beautiful. I love it. I know you have comments. Yes, so leave me your comments. Tell me what you think about this hair, and I'm always in the comment section, and I'm going to respond to your comments. Yes, and if you found this video very helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like it, and share it as well. I love this hair a lot. It's really beautiful. You can see how well laid the closure is looking, and I applied concealer to it to make it obvious. This is beautiful and it's looking flat. I like my hair to be flat and not looking so bulky, so I just love it this way. I did trimmings as well. I had to trim, yes, to give me this look. So this is how the hair looks on me, and whenever I'm done making my wigs, I like to model them. I don't just make my wigs for personal use, I make wigs for my clients as well. And this is the Natural Bob by Darling Nigeria, and I love it. And from the name Darling Nigeria, it is a Nigerian brand, and this hair just gives you that feel of it is human hair. It is super soft, it is sleek. Yes, I love the texture a lot, and it's the hair that when you just run your comb through like this, it doesn't pull out. Yes, it doesn't at all. It doesn't pull out. And this is the side parting. Yes, it's at the side, so I'm just going to adjust it for it to be at the center. Okay, so it's at the center now. So which do you prefer? Wow, this is beautiful. So I had to trim the tip after I had done fixing it, and that is how I achieved this. The way it's looking now at the tip. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It is free of charge. Support your girl. It is free. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when there's a new upload from me, you will be the first to get it. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. I am wishing you a happy and a prosperous new year in advance. Bye.